Let's say you love keeping things organized, solving inventory problems, and being the go-to person for sourcing the right part. If that sounds like you, the Parts Technician course in BC might be the perfect next step in your trade journey. Across British Columbia, this course offers a direct pathway to one of the most in-demand Red Seal trades in logistics and maintenance support. But before you dive in, let's break down exactly what to expect and how to set yourself up for success. The course is designed to train you in all the skills required for the Parts Technician Red Seal exam. You'll learn everything from cataloging parts and managing warehouse systems to safety protocols and customer service practices. Many colleges and training centers in BC offer flexible options, whether you're starting fresh or already working in the field. Some programs even offer dual credit or work-integrated learning, helping you gain experience while you study. Once you complete the course, your next goal is certification. That means preparing for and passing the Red Seal exam, a nationally recognized credential that lets you work anywhere in Canada. This exam typically includes between 100 to 150 multiple choice questions, and you'll have around 4 hours to complete it. The focus? Real-life knowledge. Expect scenarios that test your judgment, diagrams to interpret, and safety standards to apply. Now here's where prep makes all the difference. Even if you've taken a Parts Technician course in BC, review is key. That's why resources like redsealstudyguide.ca are so helpful. You'll find study materials tailored for Canadian trade students, like Q&A books, explanation-style guides, and online time tests. They're designed for learners like you, whether you're fresh out of school, returning after a break, or switching provinces. And because everything is downloadable, you can study anytime, from your phone, tablet, or laptop. Another great tip? Break your prep into sections, like inventory systems, safety, and customer service, so it feels less overwhelming. Use flashcards, practice with friends, or teach someone else what you've learned. Worried about the exam language? The Red Seal is available in both English and French. If English is your second language, focus on trade-specific vocabulary during your study time. Once you're certified, you'll have access to better-paying jobs, mobility across provinces, and more opportunities for promotion. Red Seal technicians often become supervisors, inspectors, or even business owners. And the best part? Certification gives you a sense of confidence and pride in your trade. It's not just a piece of paper. It's proof you know your stuff. So if you're considering a Parts Technician course in British Columbia, you're on the right path. Use your course to build a strong foundation. Then get the extra support you need from redsealstudyguide.ca to tackle the exam with confidence, because your skills are valuable, and your future as a certified parts technician is just getting started.